As Prime Minister Modi celebrates his 75th birthday, what has the market not seen in his 11-year tenure as Prime Minister? Multiple geopolitical headwinds, right from Brexit to even healthcare crisis like the COVID pandemic. But the bottom line is that the markets have given handsome returns to investors during this period. And take a look at this. The Nifty Bank, both have more than tripled in value over Prime Minister Modi's tenure as Prime Minister. And we are taking this from the close of the 26th of May 2014 when the Prime Minister Modi was sworn in for the first time. But the actual merry has been made by the broader market names. The mid-cap index is up almost 500%. The small-cap index too up a similar quantum, almost 200-300% there as well. Sector-specific indices as well. The auto index is up 4x. The IT index is up 4x. The FMCG and pharma index both have grown 3x each during this period. And the other indices as well, the realty index, the PSU index, the metals index, all of them gaining anywhere between 150 to 200% over this last decade. And if you take a look at the stock-specific activity as well, take a look at the Nifty entrants. Of course, not all of them were part of the Nifty back then, but from there on, Trent is up 5,000%. Bajaj Finance has been the compounding story of the decade. Adani Enterprises has seen handsome returns. Some of the other names that have done well on the Nifty, Bharat Electronics, reflection of the government's defense and Make in India push. Bajaj Finserv, Titan, the homegrown story as well, 1,000% returns for the Tata Group stock as well. So all of these Nifty names have done really well. Now take a look at the banking gainers as well. Private financials, of course, they have been the ones that have led the Nifty higher. ICICI, HDFC, Kotak, almost 4x to 5x during this period. Federal Bank, EU Small Finance Bank, India's largest lender, SBI, also has tripled during this period as well. You take a look at the broader market gainers, is talking about the fact that the broader markets have made merry over the last decade. Take a look at these returns. APL Apollo up 7,000%. Dixon Technologies 6x. Solar Industries 5x. Masgaon Dock had an IPO price of around 144 and now trades well over 3,500-4,000 rupees. That is after adjusting for the stock split. SRF as well has been a multi-bagger over the last decade. Escorts Kubota, BSC, Coforge, Motilal Oswal, Tata Elxsi, all of them seeing handsome returns over the last decade in excess of around 2,000%. You take a look at the small cap gainers as well. 20 constituents on the mid-cap index with 1,000% or more returns during this period. Now moving to the small-cap gainers, and they too are no far behind. Look at JBM Auto, Naveen Fluorine, PCBL, HBL Engineering, all of them gaining anywhere between 4,000 to as high as 7,000%. Aegis Logistics, PG Electroplast, Radico Khaitan, Zen Technologies, another defense name that has done well over the last decade, returns of around 2,500%. And compared to the mid-cap index, at least a third of the Nifty small-cap index, 31 constituents with 1,000% returns or more over the last decade. Moving forward as well, take a look at the PSU outperformers. Look at the defense, railways, the push of the government on defense, BEL, RVNL, IRCTC, all of them seeing very handsome returns over the last few years, over the last decade. HAL, HPCL, IRFC, of course, the recent listing, and despite the correction that the stock has had from the peak, the stock has delivered handsome returns from its IPO price. So all of them, all in all, it's been a decade of returns for market participants, be it in the index or be it the broader markets.
Thank you for watching us on CNBC TV 18. For all news and updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch us on all social media platforms.